Hello. We have just all got ready and the baby is crying.
You better not have me in the reflection in that telly because I've not got no clothes on.
And we are going to Jimmy's farm, which is about an hour away. I'll probably see you in the car, but then I'll be videoing whilst I'm walking around. If you can't hear me, I'm sorry. My mum is really trying to annoy me. We have just arrived at Jimmy's farm and the journey was just over an hour, which was quite long, but we're here now, so that's going to be fun. It's in Ipswich and I'll be showing you all of the animals that we see. We just walked in and there's loads of decorations everywhere and there's a really cute hobbit kind of house. It's like so cute. I'll show you it when we go down there again because we're just looking for a toilet as it's been over an hour journey and can't hold that long. There is the hobbit house. I think they're doing face painting in there and there's a little camper van next to it. It's all just so cute. We have stopped for a little hot chocolate. I had some crisps and it's just really cute. It's like a little cottage, I love it. First animal is a peacock. I don't know if you can see very well, but just go around and then you'll be able to see. There, on top of the roof. Peacock. Oh, that's it. I just held a little rabbit, it is so cute, and I'm just about to feed some of these little goats. They're so small and cute.
Looks like it's got gold teeth in his ears.
As you just saw, we have already seen loads of animals. Them little piglets are just so cute. There is loads and I just love it here. There's loads of cute animals. I don't want to go. And I was holding a rabbit. It was the cutest rabbit I've ever seen. And it was literally looking right into my eyes. I can't believe it was so cute. This isn't all of it, but this is some of it. Say hi. It's very, very, very big. I don't have any rubbish on the phone. I've gone through it, but Okay, so I am just about to go and get ready for bed. I just watched a bit of the England Family, who are like my favourite YouTubers ever. So I'm going to get dressed and then I've got to go straight to bed. So I think I'm going to end tonight's vlog here. I hope you all had an amazing day, because I know I definitely have. Despite my terrible cold, I have fought for it and just had an amazing day with my family. So make sure you give this video a massive thumbs up, and if you haven't already, hit that massive subscribe button. And what are you waiting for? And remember, always believe in yourself, because I believe in you. Bye. Drop the camera, sorry. Pick Vow.